good morning to all of you guys who always watching my YouTube channel, Nestor Lirin Amigo. I'm so grateful to have 3,673 subscribers. Thank you for always there for us. These guys always keep on subscribing my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook account, page Nestor Amigo, Nesbird Amex, Tornes Gumea. At patuloy niyong tangkilikin guys lahat ng mga YouTubers para monetize na kami guys. Almost 2,131 viewers na ako, total viewers na ako sa YouTube ko guys. Salamat na maraming salamat sa inyo at good morning. It's Monday morning. God bless us. Sana ma-monetize na para kumita yung mga inasamasam ng YouTubers guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.